Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a new update on Facebook that lets you view all group contributors directly from your PC. If you're curious about who's actively participating in your favorite groups, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the menu. Next, click on the Groups tab. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can see all of the groups you are part of. It's a great way to keep track of your community interactions. Now, choose Your Groups to view a list of all the groups you belong to. This helps you quickly find the one you want to explore further. Once you've found the group you're interested in, simply click on its name to open it. This will bring you to the group's main page. Now, look for the Members tab located at the top of the group page. Clicking here will take you to a list of all the members in the group. Finally, scroll down until you see the section labeled Group Contributors. Here, you'll find a list of members who are actively contributing to the group. It's a fantastic way to recognize those who are making a difference in your community. And there you have it. You now know how to view all group contributors on Facebook using your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.